Decoding body language, what your gestures say about you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects every aspect of our lives, body language. Have you ever wondered what those subtle gestures and movements really mean? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind body language and how to interpret the unspoken messages we send and receive. So, let's jump right in. Understanding the basics of body language. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Body language is the nonverbal communication we use to convey our thoughts, feelings, and intentions. It includes facial expressions, posture, gestures, and even eye contact. Did you have the knowledge that a remarkable 55% of person-to-person interaction hinges on cues and motions beyond words? That's more than half. So, understanding these cues can be incredibly insightful. The power of facial expressions. Let's zoom in on facial expressions. Our faces are like windows into our emotions. A smile isn't just a smile, and a frown isn't just a frown, they convey so much more. Close-up shots of genuine and fake smiles. Comparison of various expressions like raised eyebrows, furrowed brows, and squinting. Give heed to micro gestures, those momentary shifts in facial expression that unveil our genuine feelings, frequently preceding our conscious awareness. Posture and confidence. Now, let's talk about posture. It's not just about standing up straight, it's about projecting confidence and conveying your mood. Demonstrations of confident and slouched postures, comparison of how different postures affect perceptions. Remember, your posture doesn't just influence how others see you, it can also affect how you feel about yourself. So, stand tall and show that you're ready to conquer the world. Gestures and their meanings. Our hands are powerful tools for communication. Think about how often we use gestures to emphasize our words or to show agreement. Various hand gestures like thumbs up, pointing, and open palms, examples of cultural differences in gestures and their meanings. Grasping the significance of cultural heritage's influence is of considerable import, as gestures can harbor notably unique meanings across a spectrum of global conditions. What's okay in one culture might be offensive in another, so always be mindful. Eye contact and active listening. The eyes truly are windows to the soul. Eye contact is a fundamental aspect of communication that conveys interest, sincerity, and attention, showcasing different types of eye contact: confident, avoiding, engaging. Split screen, showing a conversation with and without active listening cues. Through upholding a robust visual connection, an individual communicates their active involvement and intense curiosity in the ongoing discussion. So, the next time you're talking to someone, remember, your eyes can speak volumes. Henceforth, laid out for your consideration, is a brief exploration into the realm of nonverbal exchange. By paying attention to these cues, you can gain valuable insights into your own emotions and those of others. Remember, effective communication goes beyond words. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing content. And as ever, you're welcome to share your reflections and inquiries in the comments section. Until next time, keep those positive vibes and confident gestures flowing.